been exploited. AI has finally done it and cracked down on the world's biggest video website, allowing us to make money like this every single day. And like this, and like this. All without ever recording a video, editing a video, or paying for ads. And best of all, it takes less than 44 seconds a day. And that's it. I know you are confused right now and maybe skeptical, and that's understandable. Some skepticism is always healthy. All I ask from you is to continue watching this short message, and I'm going to prove to you without a shadow of a doubt that Nova is capable of making us $24,533.56 every single month in pure profit. You see, YouTube gets billions of visits every day, and we found a way to use AI to exploit their suggestion algorithm.
Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike. Today I have another amazing software. This one is called Nova, and in a nutshell is the world's first automated AI application that exploits YouTube suggestion algorithm and gives you instant access to over 394,000 viewers on daily basis, and with this you can turn them into recurring customers, and this definitely may pay you up to $700 daily depending on your strategies. And you do this without recording any videos yourself, without paying any video editors yourself, without showing your face on the camera. So this is exactly what it does to you. It's an amazing idea and product from Ramana, going live on the 13th of February 2024 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's when this product is going to go live. So I will encourage you to stick around because I have amazing bonuses for you. If you stick with me, I will show you through the dashboard area and we'll go through these tabs and see what we can create. And I will leave the link to the demo video of this very amazing novel product in my description. And then of course take you to the pricing of this product, and of course my amazing bonuses which I have lined up for you, which will definitely make your day. That I can assure you, they are all selling businesses online, applications online, and training courses that are going to definitely help you make loads of money online. Now let us go into more details on Nova. Before I do that, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell icon for notification. And at any point during the course of this review, you are interested in getting this product, that first link below in my description will bring you to this sales page where you are going to find yellow buttons like this scattered all over this page that will give you access to the World Plus platform where this product is actually hosted and launched. And of course you will be able to pick up a copy thereabout. Okay, so now let us go into more details and see some of the benefits you have with this one. It's going to let you let the AI that is associated with this application exploit YouTube on your behalf and give you massive results, and giving you ideas of products and videos that are actually doing well online, and you'll be able to sort of replicate these videos in your own way. And this is exactly what this product is going to do for you, using ordinary keywords or voice command of your choice, and you never record or edit any videos ever, when this can be done for you by AI and churn it out immediately, and you generate up to 400,000 views daily for 100% free. Okay, and this AI turns your views into recurring customers on Autopilot, because you're going to have the ability to get automation, so that even when you are sleeping, you will be able to have this operation going on for you, and this will definitely get eyeballs to anything you are promoting, including affiliate marketers especially, and any other thing you want to promote online. This may be the best way to create such videos using keywords that will, and on different languages, in different languages actually, that will give you access to the market out there. And of course, bear in mind that it is always honorable to have products that are actually going to help the audience to achieve their aims and objectives. And you have 90-day money back guarantee on this one. It works in any niche, no matter what, including business, dating, golf, coaching, or any other niche of your choice, including fitness and health. No need to pay anything upfront. Once you buy it once, when it goes live, it is yours forever, and no experience needed whatsoever. You get up and running in minutes, and it takes only 44 seconds, thereabout, let's say a minute or more, and to get this fixed, and it is time-proof system. That means it's going to work now, tomorrow, and always, because it's in the cloud out there. So it's an amazing product. Let's go further and see what we have in terms of how you get this done for you. The first would be to log in after purchase of this product using that first link below in my description area. And of course, this number 2 step will be to follow the dead easy steps to set up AI engine, which you are going to see in the video that I'm going to include in my description. And of course, I don't know if you are going to have time to play the demo video so that you see how it works. When we get to that point, I will be able to decide if that is necessary. Okay, now step 3 will be profit. Every day you enjoy payments, and this works for me. I would suggest it works for affiliate marketing, so that you are just a middleman that will push products that you know you have used that are working. You'll be able to actually use them to make money using this very novel AI application, which is going to help you create videos that will attract the audience depending on your niche and your specifications. Okay, so that's about all we can do on this one. Let's go further and see some of the income proofs, and of course take note of the very testimonials we have with this one, and see if this is going to be for you. That ability to make money using AI while you are actually doing your normal 9-to-5 job, or you have the intention of living this 9-to-5 rat race at any point in your life, this may be actually that very product you need to do some of these videos when you are back from work, or even when you have decided to work for yourself online, like I did 2.5 years ago. So this is exactly what it takes to make money online, and it takes a little step-by-step copy and paste training, which is going to be very easy for anybody who has access to the internet to do. So that's about the much we can go with this very. I think there are vendor bonuses down there which you will take note of when you eventually arrive here at your convenience after purchase of this product. Even if you don't want to purchase, just go through the sales page by clicking that first link below in my description, and then see if it is going to be for you. Now let us see the dashboard area. This is the dashboard area. This is how you create AI training video. If you click that link, it's going to open up to this page where you click the video. You can say, okay, let's say fitness business, okay, for example, and then you have a niche like in health. Okay, so you choose English US. There are many languages you can choose from, but let's go do with language English USA. And you take a look at the let's say landscape, for example, as the video resolution. Select background format. Let's see what we have here. Background, yeah, video, thereabout. Let's see if that's what the option says. Okay, and then here you have access to, let's say, computer, for example, and then you click next. Okay, let us, okay, fitness and health. Okay, so let's click next again. Okay, select this one, sorry, landscape, take this one, run video, and use category computer, and then yeah, you go next. So it's going to actually go to work, talking about the AI, and this is what you have. So you can choose from any of these home workout. This topic is trending due to the global pandemic and the closure of fitness centers, pushing individuals to find alternative ways to stay fit at home. People are searching for workout routines that require minimal equipment and can be done in limited spaces. You can go through weight loss transformation. Let's say if we take a look at this and choose this, for example, and then you click next, I guess. So it's very simple, and it's copy and paste, and it's very instructive, as you can see. So let's wait for the AI to do the job and see if this is going to give us something similar to what we are seeking exactly. Okay, so unveiling the secrets of weight loss. So this is it. You have different landscapes, you have background video, so you can always get this to add a voiceover in case you want to use your voice. This is where you put that information, and then you'll be able to save it as draft, or you publish it here. So you can see it's actually very simple to operate. Okay, so let us go back to the training. Now you have the AI video creator, which is going to be this. You can create video with this button, project name, demo project, for example. You created the project, and it's going to give you access to use AI format, or you can import your PDF or any URL of any video you want to replicate, and you'll be able to do all of that there. Okay, so yeah, and you have the ability to enter your text, which you would have had for whatever you are trying to produce, and then you can always use your own voice to record, or of course use this to use a script that you have written in this point and generate with AI. Okay, so I'm going to, this is it. Okay, so this is, for example, step-by-step training. You can actually use any of these articles, okay, and replicate them in this order. Okay, so that's about what we can take on that AI video creator. It's very simple. You can use AI to do it straight, and of course you know what exactly that means. And here you have YouTube channels, and you have the video uploader, you have the playlist manager, auto like, comment, auto subscription, auto reply, you have video manager, you have video finder, you have video channel finder, playlist finder, and keyword finder, rank tracker, and reseller, and all the rest of them. Okay, so it's very explicit, and I will leave that very aspect of it to you when you eventually make use of it, because this training, if you play it, is going to actually give you information on how exactly this is going to be fixed. And that's why I say I'm going to leave it there in my description, the link that will give you access to that. Okay, so that you'll be able to actually get that done for you. Okay, so let us see the pricing for this amazing product, so that we don't waste a lot of time doing this. Now the front end goes for $17, which gives you access to the dashboard, which is exactly where you're going to create all the things you want to create, and you have it for just $17. You have the OTO number 1, which is going to be the unlimited edition, the upgrade number 1, which goes for $37.97, and with this you unlock Nova Unlimited and get 94 times more traffic and sales without any extra work. Now you have the upgrade number 2, which is done for you edition, goes for $197, and this will mean that the team is going to do everything pertaining to this, setting it up, automating it, and everything on your behalf. Okay, so you have no reason to lift any finger. Now you have the upgrade number 3, which is the Autopilot, goes for $38 approximately, and you have the done for you affiliate funnel for $97, and that will be the upgrade number 4. I guess you have upgrade number 5, which is $25,000 profit system, it goes for $27. You have the done for you plug and play shorts for $97, and this should be the upgrade number 6. Number 7 will be Kaboom for $37.97. You have also the agency and reseller edition that goes for $47. This is what you have for agency, reseller, agency pack, and you'll be able to actually resell the Nova application to hungry buyers and keep 100% out of every sale you make. That is to say that you'll be able to make money 100% on this. You have done for you sales swipes, which is included, that you can send to your email list, and also you have the ability to sell unlimited agency accounts with this very application. And you have the last one, which is going to be number 8 thereabout, as bundle. It goes for $37.97. With this you have access to 4 incredible applications for one-time low price. So that's about what you have, and the amazing thing is that you have 30 days money back guarantee with this very application Nova. Okay, now you have the bonuses that I have lined up for you. Latitude is number 1, which is a unique and beginner friendly spin on push button profits, which means you will learn how to make money on blockchains, NFTs, using non-fungible token for digital ads. You have also the TweetX, which is a Chrome extension that gives you access to the Twitter traffic, which is now X platform, where you'll be able to divert traffic to your offer and links, including affiliate links. You have also Insurgency, which is a training course on how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. You have also the bonus number 4, Lazy Traffic Sniper, which gives you access to free buyer traffic online. You have also the JavaScript Commission Bot, which is a bot system that is installed in your system that helps you make 4-figure daily commissions, driving this bot, driving traffic to any offer of your choice. You have also number 6, which is a lockdown formula, which is exactly the training I started with, which is a beginner-friendly training on how to start online marketing or digital marketing, and you can start it as a newbie or as a beginner, and you'll be able to know how to scale your business digitally. Okay, so you have number 7, which is the last one, what I call my commissions toolbox, which has over 1,000 different links that are going to give you access to performing different tasks online, including background remover, link shorteners, video editors, image editors, voiceover generators, anything you want, you'll be able to actually get it with this very over 1,000 links you have here as a bonus. I mean, you can't get it anywhere else. Okay, now at any point you decide to buy this product, like I said before, when you make that decision, that first link below in my description will bring you to this sales page, where you are going to find these yellow buttons scattered all over the page, and you'll be able to actually get a copy for yourself on the World Plus platform where it's hosted. And under your purchase history in the World Plus account, you will find a page that looks like this. This button gives you access to the very Innova application, and you have this blue one giving you access to my amazing bonuses. But if for any reason this very blue button for my bonuses does not work, what you are going to do is to write me using this email address, which is actually associated with my World Plus account, and I'll be able to send you these bonuses online using your email address. Okay, so that's about the much we can do on the pricing and the bonuses. Now let us take a look at the final aspect of this review, and that means we are going to wrap it up now. This product, like I said, is going live today, the 13th of February 2024 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time, which is 5 p.m. Central European Time and 4 p.m. GMT. That's when this very button I showed you earlier will become operational, and you'll be able to pick up a copy of this amazing Innova application from Venkataramana, and you'll be able to make money online using the abilities to actually put your strategies and your intentions into videos which are going to be done for you by AI, using its ability to exploit the YouTube suggestion algorithm, so that you know exactly the kind of videos that are doing well depending on your niche, and you'll be able to use this to replicate such videos and go viral. And of course, that virality actually means you get eyeballs on your offer, and definitely get you the conversions you need to make money online. So that's about the much I can take on this one. I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell icon for notification, and I will be back to you in my next review. Till then, I remain your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me guys, from here is goodbye.